Madysen, what does the horsey say? Me. Make a horsey sound. Make the horsey sound. What does the piggy say?
Oinky.
Oink oink.
Oink.
What does the doggy say?
Rock.
What does it say?
Kitty.
What does the doggy say?
A sound.
What sound? Okay, what does the kitty cat say?
Wow.
What does the monkey say? Ooh, ooh, ee, ee. What does the cow say?
Dada.
The cow says dada? What does the cow say?
Ready.
Moo.
Beep beep.
Beep beep. What does the car say?
Oh God.
Huh?
Oh God.
I don't know. Where's the cars?
A sound.
What's that sound?
I know.
What does the ducky say?
A sound.
Ducky say? Quack quack. You hear something?
Huh?
You hear something?
No.
What's that sound?
I know.
You don't know? What does the ducky say?
A sound.
Quack quack.
A sound.
I don't know what that sound is.
Season.
Something's coming?
No. Coming.
What?
Okay.
Something's coming?
I hear it. Season.
Yeah, I can hear it. What are you doing?
I see it.
You see it?
No. Oh, really good guys.
Ready to go play?
No.
Why?
I'll go right.
You want to go where?
I'll go inside.
Huh?
I'll go inside.
You want to go outside? We are outside.
A sound.
I don't know what the sound is.
A sound.
You hear something?
No. Season.
Who is it?
I know.
You don't know?
Season.
Listen. Shh.
Oh, yeah.